Kum kajing snungu ika Sorkar na kabenta kajing ithuh ika college hapok ka People's College. Lani ka college ka banyo jing kersyan na ka Sorkar jela. Ka Thomas Jones Synod College Jawai ha ka arpsantrik naitung kala penlong na kajing alang ka Bukerpang. Ha pelau ka college ha kajing dan lang umentri ketenat puli putih ka Sorkar jela urakam sangma. Nalor umentri la dan lang ru MLA ke Jawai uba wailat Miki Syllad. U advisor ka Sorkar jela uba MH Syangpliang. UMDC JHADC ba Okto Mewat Lamin, U Deputy Commissioner ka West Giant Hills District uba BS Solia, ka District School Education Officer DSEO kong ASM kinohikay bat kisamla puli. Ha ka jingalang umentri ula samru eki appointment letter syaki arpulaingon kinohikay jong kanika college, bat kaway ka librarian, bat penkub buromru eki hendriungut kinohikay ki bala pendap eki jingpuli PhD, ki bakentup ya Dr. Lincoln Dekhar, bat Dr. Terchan Mitre Lipon na ketenat chemistry, Dr. Kermi Utaryang bat Dr. Arman Ki Shela na ketenat zoology, u Dr. Bobilan Lingkhoy na ketenat physics, bat Marlon Brando Rani na ketenat botany. U rakam sangma ha ka jingkren ulaong, ka Sorkar jela ka buthong ban kentiu ya ka pule putih hapok ka jela, bat hakisan senam ki baladep kala menjur ya ka jing aji rap na ka benta ki arpoi teliki college na ka leng ka jela hapok ka People's College. Kamlong ka besuk ya ka Sorkar khamtam hadien ka jingwan jong ka polisi themai. Khambun ki jing lamat da ki jaka puli henre wat lakata ka Sorkar balaya lam da umentri rangba kala ajing Krisyan ya ki arpoi teliki college ha ka leng ka jela laong umentri. Wala ka Sorkar ka menjur tang arhu sau teliki pos na kabenta ka Thomas Jones Synod College. Henrengan penting kena ya pi ba ka Sorkar kan don be rengkat bat pi. Bat nga kentu ya pi ba pin om penya kelat ela di na ka Sorkar. Bat klem da kenya ka tulop ka ba pishim. Dongin ai ka jing syakri ka ba bahatam na ka ka ba pidon na kentu usang maya kinohikay. Ya ka jing yalang la penya da chairman ka governing body Reverend Meshak Shela. Bat layok ka jingkren na uba WEH Lamin. Ka principal jong ka college ka Dr. Idkhar. U moderator KJP Synod Mingi Reverend CL Lalu na lor kiway-kiway.
I would like to bring greetings from Honorable Chief Minister, Sorkar ke Sangma, for all of the beautiful and the wonderful people this afternoon. And its commitment of this government, as has been stated by Honorable MLA, it's a commitment of Honorable Chief Minister. Because you understand, in last 50 years of a journey of our schedule, something that should have been done did not happen. The priority to the education sector not have been given as it should have been so. Knowing of all the challenges, under the Chief Minister, the entire cabinet in last 5 years decided to approve the grant at 21 number of colleges to be under the grant in aid and the People's College grant. It's not easy for the government. But despite lots of challenges, because we understand after the coming in of the new education policy, more challenge to be undergone by the institutions. Knowing of all these challenges, a government led by Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sangma decided to give a grant at the People's College to the 21 number of colleges, institutions across the state. My dear friends, this college named after the first and the father of Khasi alphabet, Reverend Thomas Jones. We should not forget, and it will injustice us on our part not to remember the contribution our missionaries, overseas, that met to us. And because of the contribution, because of this service, how and what we are today. I do recall the 3 contributions that they made. The gospel, their education, and the health care. In the eastern part of India, especially the northeast, because we understand, because the tribal people, the northeast people, our lifestyle is different. We're like the animals, we're like the people live in the jungles, right? So the Christian missionary come across from overseas and bring the gospel, the education, and the health care, and they make lots of difference in our family, in our community today. If we look at the national level, Indians people are looking forward, and every state is have a different, because the science is survival of the fittest. Because every state, be it Karnataka, be it Gujarat, be it Punjab, be it Delhi, be it anywhere in the country, every state wants to design their education system to the best of the best, so that the youngs and the brilliant students will be attracted and go to the state to study. Why not our state does? Therefore, it's a dreams of everybody, it's dreams of the government, it's a desire of the chief minister that our Meghalaya institutions should be among the top institutions in the country, so that we educate the best brains of the region and of the country and of the world. Therefore today, this is my request to each of us. Let us continue to give the best what we have in graduating, in sending our young children for the betterments of tomorrow. As I already stated, in the last few years, government has constructed many colleges with a new infrastructure. And in few days from now, a new big, what you call, diet college, diet institute at Sorkar is to be coming up. Government under SSA has sanctioned more than 6 crore for construction of a new building at Sorkar. Many colleges under PM Musa, other state fund like the Sorkar College, be it William Nagar, be it Bakmara, and many colleges have been constructed. And we now understand in our institutions there are many colleges having a back end for force of lecturers and as lecturer. Just want to tell you, maybe from this week, the government of education department, higher technical education, is giving an advertisement for the recruitment of more than 132 back-end force of assistant lecturer, maybe from this week onwards. My dear officer, all my dear lecturer, as we are here today together, it is important that we should transform our institutions so that our graduating students will not regret tomorrow. If you want to see the full satisfaction in life, you want to see the success in your life, you are happy when you see some of the success of your contribution. Parents not happy in sending the school to the good institutions. It is not. The more satisfaction to the parents is only the day when children come back for the institutions with a flying color. Therefore, my dear friends, it is very important to make our mother, our parents smile with our successful. Yes, the government approval for just 24 number of posts is not enough. It's a very small, but I want to assure you, in the days to come, government will be always with you, to stand with you. Please do not disassociate yourself from the government. I always feel I don't look at the salary the professor, the teachers draw. I always look at the commitment of our teacher. It is not the quality of your teachings will never measure with the amount that you draw. But the quality of your service always will measure and will be rewarded with the commitment that you give to the people. Therefore, irrespective of your salary you draw, let us give the best that you have. The reward, the rest belongs to be taken care by others.